Are you looking for a convenient way to create and schedule a series of posts for your Instagram account? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of generating Instagram posts using ChatGPT, designing captivating visuals with Canva, and scheduling them on Instagram. Welcome back to DigiHacks with Polly, and let's get started and unleash your creativity. For you to create the quotes, just go to ChatGPT and write the quotes that you want to post. Now, for example, let's write 50 inspirational quotes and wait for ChatGPT to generate. And here we have our 50 quotes, so just copy and open Excel, then you paste it here. Then open Canva and select Instagram Reel. Select the template that you want to use, and there are quite several templates that you can choose from. Some of them are free, but there's those that are premium and you have to pay for them. So let's choose this one, and now you can edit the heading of your template and write daily motivation. Okay, then edit where your quote will be pasted. Then you trim the posts to the seconds that you want it to run. For example, we can make it 5 seconds, okay? Then go back to Excel and make sure that you've saved your Excel sheet as a CSV file. Now go back to Canva and select apps, okay? Click on bulk creation and then upload the CSV file that you've saved from Excel sheet. Then click open. Then come to the quote text box, you right click it, then click connect data and then connect to the quotes. Then you click continue. You can see all the quote has been created. Click generate. And here are 50 quotes in just few seconds. So what you have to do is go through them to check if they have been aligned well, and if they are not, you just align them one by one. Okay, and when you're done, you just click share, download, and select MP4. Then click download page as separate files, and then you'll download. After you're done, you just have to go to Instagram and schedule your 50 posts. By following this simple process of using ChatGPT, Canva, and Instagram scheduling feature, you have saved valuable time and ensured a consistency flow of content for your audience over the next 50 days. Now sit back, relax, and watch your Instagram feed light up with your daily dose of inspiration. Happy posting! If you like the video, please subscribe and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.